Viola, let's check out the rhythm and the bowings on the board. So we have an eighth rest and then an up bow. I'm going to use my D string, so it's rest, up, down, up, and then it's a rest, up again. So you don't have to do a backwards bow lift or anything. You just stop the bow on the string and then just start up bow again. Let me demonstrate one more time. So it's rest, up, down, up, rest, up, down, up. Let's try that together. 3 and 4 and rest, up, rest. One more time. 3 and 4 and rest, rest. Now look at measure 78, violas, and you have this over and over and over. So it's rest, E, stop bow, D with that up bow next. Let's try this together at 78. 3 and 4 and rest, up, rest, up, natural, up, rest, up, rest, up, rest, up, natural, up, rest, up. Hopefully that bowing makes sense. Tell yourself during the rest the word up, just like I was saying out loud. It will really help. Violas, put your bow on the G string. And what we're going to do is we're going to practice slurring back and forth from G string to C string. But I want you to tip your bow closer to the C string than you normally would to make a really smooth slur. So instead of being like this on the G string, I tipped a little further over towards the C string to make that slur even more smooth. And then I would do the same thing on an up bow. Just experiment going back and forth, making it as smooth as possible. We want the bow to make a smooth curve when we slur instead of like a stop sign shape when we slur. So when you look at the notes in measure 60, the lowest note is that D, which is first finger. So we have a B slurred to D and then an A slurred to D. Let me demonstrate. I am going to set up that D first finger before I put my B second finger down. Then all I have to do is think about that bow and that smooth slur. And then I pick up second finger. I can put my first finger on both strings at the same time and get it to sound in tune. If you can do that, that would be fabulous. So here we are at measure 60. Let's try this. 3, 4. One more time. 3, 4. Now look at measure 61. It's G climbing up, and I would use pinky for that D note because the open D string has a different like quality of sound. Okay, let's do 60 and 61. Again, set first finger on the C string and then put second finger on G string. 3, 4. And then it does almost the same thing again. I guess it is identical. Let's try it again. 3, 4. Violas, let's play from 60 over to 67. Set up that first finger on C string and then place your second finger. Think about those smooth slurs. 3, 4. Pinky. 1, 2. 1, explore some notes in measure 72. So find it in your music. It starts with a B flat, pulled back second finger on G string, slurs A to G, G over to regular F, which is third finger right on tape. The reason they have the natural sign marked in there is because the key signature had it marked as a sharp. Okay, we would have had to extend, but now we don't have to. Okay, let me demonstrate again. B flat, A to G, G to F, F, E. Regular second finger. So flat on G string, regular on C string. Let's play right there at 72 together. 3, 4, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, B flat. 3, 4, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, violas, let's play at measure 70 to the end of that line. So set up your third finger. I would recommend pinky at the beginning of 71 if you are comfortable with that. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pinky. Flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time, back at 70. 3, 4. Pinky. Flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play from measure 60 down to the end of 75. Set up that low D first finger C string, and then set your second finger, regular second finger this time, on the G string. Measure 60. 3, 4.